What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. This is your brother in the kingdom of God, Emmanuel Mwaka, and definitely, as you can see, we've not been posting for this past weeks. It's because we're relocating to another province, and as you can see, I am actually in a home office. So yeah, definitely we're gonna be more productive, more educational videos for you that are really gonna bless you so much. But as you can see by the title, you can pick up the agenda for today is that we're gonna be going into the markets, and particularly on NASDAQ. We're gonna be focusing for the week, and I'm gonna be breaking it down for you. And of course, if you're watching us for the very first time, you know that the algorithm just suggested this video to you, not because it is by coincidence, but because God knows exactly what you like. And of course, this is the institution that's gonna grow you in your Forex journey. So make sure to subscribe. More available amazing videos are gonna be dropping this coming week, even as the weeks to come. So I'm gonna jump straight into the analysis. Make sure you follow along with the chart next to you, and make sure you do comment down below with a analysis, and of course give me points, guys. Give me confluences, okay? I see sells or I see buys, reason being this 1, 2, 3. So make sure you comment something like that. But anyway, let's jump straight. Okay, family, we are on the chart right now, and of course we are on the daily time frame, as you can see, and we just want to break it down for you so that we can focus this very much accurate. So I'm gonna take the highest point on the chart. Let's go ahead, take the highest point. As you can see, that was the high, and we're gonna take the low. There we go. Let's go ahead. That's the low right there. And as you can see, it's quite beautiful, but a bit more confusing for beginners, especially if you have not figured out structure wise and how to interpret structure. If it has changed trends or we're still within that same trend, I will clear it up for you right now as your mentor. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna break it down from what we've already been breaking it down as, in terms of, we do have a change of structure there because that was our higher low. The market, of course, was in a downtrend, imprinting supply levels. We can clearly understand that we have supply levels. Now that we can possibly here have another change of character from the daily perspective. And what do I mean by that? Is that we do have a lower high that was broken. Okay, so as you can see, that was the lower high that was broken for us right there. Of course, that lower high, we can clearly see it went higher. We've now created higher highs and higher lows. So in fact, these were still lower highs, lower lows, and now that we broke that, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs. And therefore, what it simply means is that we can expect the market to create a higher low before actually going up. So let's check it out. But let's plot more bearings over here. We can have a change of character. As you can see, this is our change of character. Beautiful, right? A change of character would imply that the market is still gonna go in the direction of the trend, or what it just simply validates the trend for us. Now, there's something before we can just go and conclude, my learned friends, that we're in an uptrend. We want to see something that actually happened last week, the previous week. I was trading, but I was not posting. We did have a supply zone over here. As you can see, the whole point was a supply zone where the market actually did mitigate and actually sell all the way right here. So we can see those were the sells that had occurred because of the mitigation to that supply. But now, is that supply going to sustain the market? Is it going to push it all the way down, or are we going higher? Now, there's something that I want to highlight to you, my learned friends, and we're going to go all the way to the 4-hour time frame to kind of really see exactly what I'm talking about. So we can clearly see here we do have a sell that went on. We clearly see structure here. It's quite good in terms of a bullish market. To even go a bit lower here, we do have a change of character that we can see as well that took place in the H4. We can clearly see that change of character. The market pulled back and was going higher, and we can clearly see that market was quite very much beautiful if you're trading within that day. We do have fair value gaps, we do have other breakers, so definitely, as you can see here, we did have one over here. Okay, other breaker, we did have supplies, demand levels here. As you can see, even though they were small, this was a demand level where the market actually came in and touched. We can definitely see fair value gaps over here. Okay, that the market actually went up, and of course, as you can see, we do see that the market is kind of a bit ranging in this case. So I'm gonna take this and show you what I mean by this. We can definitely see equal highs coming in over here, but I'll just put it over like this. Okay, and of course we can also see another type of liquidity that the market may want to take in is this type right here, where the market is currently showing as if it's buying. So if I were to be precise, I will show you right now what I mean by precision is that I may really anticipate that the market is gonna pull back all the way to these areas, so that supply right there, then actually come back right here and then take all of that liquidity. So it may happen today, it may happen for the weeks to come, or rather for this week, we may not be sure, but I believe that we do have this supply over here. It may be very much strong, as we do have an imbalance here that took place. So we do have that imbalance, that supply, so I may see it coming back all the way here and then touching somewhere here, which will align very well with the daily time frame analysis to say we do have a demand here. So this demand level, that is where I do anticipate that the market will actually come back to, but it needs to sort of take liquidity first as it creates this. So but it might pull back, so I'm not sure exactly in terms of that precision, but I want to pay attention to every detail in the markets. So we can definitely see that 4H supply there, so the market might pull back into that, but definitely this demand will be a point that I'm waiting for mitigation. I will be awaiting mitigation, then we can actually go higher into actually breaking this supply that we could see on the daily time frame. Let me just zoom in for you to show you what I mean. So this daily supply that we saw over here, we may actually break it to go higher to kind of really go on with the trend. And of course it will be a break of structure once we break that structure there, but those equal highs definitely, as we can see, in fact on the daily time frame, they're actually equal highs there. So those equal highs, I definitely anticipate that we can break them and we will go on with the bullish market. So my conclusion, my learned friends, is that I do anticipate the market will be bullish this week. I'm definitely sure about that. I obey my rules. If it does not go my way, at least I obey my rules. But I know definitely the rules of my smart money, or my approach, is that it's gonna work out. I mean, I've done this before, right? And you've seen it play out. So definitely we can come back into the demand there, which is the daily demand, and we can really anticipate that the market will actually be bullish. I hope you understand this, family. Let me know on what you think about my analysis. Maybe correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe add on if I didn't, add more, or rather say a bit more than you anticipated in terms of information, and maybe ask something if you don't really understand what I mean by certain stuff. But also do check out our playlist, family. We do have a smart money beginner class playlist that's available for everybody to actually watch. We also have free education on our website, so www.propheticforex.com. we have free education for people who cannot afford our course, but if you're a have really seen us, in terms of how we trade, news, fundamentals, technicals, and you like the way we trade, definitely it wouldn't hurt for you to invest a little bit within your Forex journey with us, as you trust us. So definitely we have the advanced trading course that's available for each and every one of you to purchase. Very much affordable, but worth it, I believe so. So go and check it out at propheticforex.com right there. So you can go check it out or click the link below and go ahead, check it out. If you have any questions, you can click the WhatsApp icon. You can chat to the admin to assist you with your enrollment. God bless you if you really watch this video for until at this point. Make sure that you do subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends and family. God bless you.